Can you miss what you never have known?
These are the ingredients I'm going to use to prepare this delicious meal. I have my onion and I have curry leaf. I have my garlic cloves and also ginger, and I have my scent leaves. Okay, then I'm going to make use of pepper. Depending on the portion you want to prepare will determine the amount of pepper you're going to need. So these are the peppers I'm going to use. I'm going to make use of turkey as well. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do now is to blend the pepper, the onion and the garlic and ginger together.
Just follow the road.
So I'm going to start by boiling the turkey. So I'm gonna add pepper soup spice to it. Pepper soup spice, salt, I'm going to add seasoning cubes. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper to it, some chopped onions, curry leaves, scent leaves. Add a little bit of water to boil it. Then stir this together. Cover it and bring it to boil for about 5 minutes. So as the turkey is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and slice the yam and cut it into smaller pieces. This is the size of yam I'm going to use. So what I'm going to do now is to peel it off and then slice it into pieces. So here is the yam. I'm done slicing it. So now let's check the turkey as well. Okay, now the turkey is ready because I don't want it to overdone, because I'm still going to cook it together with the yam, so it's okay like this. So what I'm going to do now is to put the yam on the fire to let it boil. Here is the yam, it's on the stove now, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. As you can see that the water did not completely cover the yam, so the water is okay like this. So now I'm going to pour in the pepper, but this pepper is going to be too much, so I'm going to use like half of it. Now I'm going to add pepper soup spice into the yam again, because I actually want it to taste like pepper soup, even though it's not pepper soup, but you know, I just wanted to give it that pepper soup taste. So when you go to the market, just tell them you want pepper soup spice and they're going to give it to you. It's not difficult to find it in the market. So now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Now don't add too much of salt. Remember, I'm going to still add the turkey, including the turkey water. So the turkey water is already sweetened, so you don't want it to really spoil the food. So please just add a little bit of salt, or you don't even add salt at all. Okay, I'm going to add the curry leaf into it. I've already sliced it into pieces. I'm going to add the scent leaves as well. I've also cut the scent leaf into pieces. Now I'm going to add seasoning cubes. Now I'm adding vegetable oil to it. Just a little bit of oil, because the turkey has its own special oil already. So now just give it a stir. Don't worry about the cubes, it's going to dissolve. So what I'm going to do now is to cover it and let it boil for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to bring you guys back to see what I'm going to do next. Okay, now the yam is soft, as you can see. It's soft. So now I'm going to add the turkey together with the water into it. I will stir it together and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes.
The heart always aims for the place where you belong. Just follow it home. Though it may not agree with the path that you seek, sometimes you just need to stop searching